Negotiations in sales processes are dynamic, so don't let static agreements stop you. With Oneflow, you can easily create sales proposals that suits both parties. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create, send, and sign a sales proposal, duration time, and negotiation. Use Oneflow's template to get you started, or choose one of your activated templates when you create a new contract. Add your counterparty. Fill in the sales proposal. You can fill in the field for the counterparty, or you can let them fill in the information themselves. Choose the product that you've agreed on during the sales process. You can also add a duration time for the agreement period. Let's pick a recurring period of time. Save and send. Your counterparty just received an email and is invited to the sales proposal. You can communicate directly in the comment field. No need for emailing or calling back and forward. After the counterparty has signed the contract, you'll also be able to sign it. Now we have a signed contract, just like magic. Thanks to the duration section, you will now receive reminders regarding the contract period, both in app and email. Please let us know if there are any other questions. We're always here to help.